reign in the Age of Elizabeth at 4:30. And you can see Jonathan Dimbleby's reflection on the life of Her Majesty in the longest reign on ITV Hub. Let us broadcast.
This is your emergency alert system. Stay on ITV for information. This is your emergency alert system. Stay on ITV for information. This is your emergency alert system. Stay at approximately 3:30 p.m. A small object entered the solar system in the Oort cloud. It is not known as if the object is a machine or planet, and it could have hostile intentions. At this moment, all the National Aeronautics and Space Administration can see is a great dot in the sky. But what we do know is that it is about 2 billion miles away from Earth. Even though the object is far away, it is slightly disrupting telephone lines, and only essential calls can be made at this time. As of now, that is all we have. Stay tuned for more information. More news has been given by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It is said that the object suddenly moved 250 million miles, positioned near Uranus. Then, a power outage occurred in Japan near the Yamaguchi prefecture. Some say this was caused by the sudden movement since Japan was in nighttime nearest to the object. That is all the news we have. Stay tuned for more. Just in the last few minutes, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration tried to communicate with the object. Now we can identify it as a space station the size of the Moon with hostile intentions. This could mean the end of the world. The best form of dying is by suicide. Although we don't recommend it, the best form is to use a knife or firearm.
Okay, let's break from the EAS to tell you something. Suicides kills thousands every year and some support it.
If you are thinking of committing suicide, call the National Suicide Hotline at
116 123 or 988. Suicide kills. Don't die. Live a long and healthy life. Nothing can get in your way. Anyways, back onto the video.
After positioning near Mars, the space station started emitting large amounts of energy. Some say this is a beam. We don't know if it is going to shoot, but either way, we will all die. From all of us at the ITV headquarters, goodbye, and we hope you had a good life. We shall end with the national anthem of the United Kingdom of England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland.